What is up, YouTube? Back at you with yet another YouTube video. As you can see, we are on the daily. Soon to not be a daily no more. It already isn't kind of a daily. Has no headlights. But we're on the 10. We're on the 10. About to go to the gym. Hey guys, I'm on the way to the gym. We're actually gonna go meet up my buddy Najib. I'm gonna hit the gym. I decided to do a little moto vlog for you guys today, since I did end up getting my mic on today. Yeah. So yeah, guys, I don't have the Blackwing no more. The Blackwing was stolen. What? Out of a hospital here in Houston. What the fuck? I was there because I had just had my baby. My girl had just gave birth. And my baby had to be in the NICU for a little bit. After that, I was taking my car. I didn't take it much. I probably took it like 2-3 times. And yeah, the third time they ended up, I mean, not the third time, probably like the fourth time that I ended up taking the car. Obviously it got stolen. And sadly, it's been about 2 months. I haven't heard anything about the car. No, not about 2 months. It's been about a month. Maybe about to go into 2 months. But yeah, we haven't heard anything. Haven't heard anything back from, you know, anything like insurance wise, other than them paying off the vehicle. But yeah, shit sucks. Wanted to have 2 dope bikes with my Blackwing, and sadly shit doesn't go as planned always, you know. But it's all good. I'll get another car soon, but I'm just focused on other things right now. I want to open up a shop for my detailing. Obviously I have a kid now, so a car isn't really my worries right now. I say that with being on a bike, right, and having 2 of them, but shit, these are chilling. But yeah, I haven't seen the Gixxer. Yeah, I have not seen the GSXR. I do want to make a video on that because, man, the bike looks amazing. I think it looks beautiful. I'm pretty much done with it, other than, you know, wait till I get some money to pretty much build the motor, do some crazy shit on that bike. But for now, you know, that bike is done. That bike is pretty much done. I think the only thing I would do is I would want to do I'd want to do carbon fiber wheels and obviously build the motor. But that's later, man. That's later. Right now, I think the bike looks amazing. Probably gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna stop fucking with that one, and I'm gonna start fucking with the 10. I got a couple of goodies here and there for the 10. Obviously, it's not a Gen 7 no more. Based on the fairings, it looks like a Gen 6. What's up with this motherfucker? So yeah, I swapped over to the Gen 6 fairings. The only thing I had to swap was the front stay, and then everything else bolted right up. Right now, this one doesn't have headlights, so that's the only downfall. I did buy some things to add a headlight, but honestly, I don't know if I want to drill into the carbon fiber fairings to try to put a headlight. So I might just add the little light they add kind of by the fender, by the wheel, just because I don't want to drill into these beautiful fairings that I just purchased. But yeah, we got some goodies with these. I do want to stay stock wheelbase on this one. I'm gonna pull the wheel back as much as I can and see what this thing does stock wheelbase, you know. I know I can have some fun stock wheelbase. I don't want to stretch it. I don't want to have 2 bikes that are, you know, stretched and stuff like that. Like, I'm also cruising to get there because my boy's probably a little farther than me, so I'm trying to really cruise. Been trying to lose weight, you know what I mean? I'm trying to get myself down as well, because obviously I can get these bikes as fast, as light as I can, but if I'm a big motherfucker, the bike's gonna be struggling to pull me with it, you know? So we getting locked in, we locking in, getting in the gym, getting to it, baby. They tell me, how do you motivate yourself to lose weight? I said, first of all, have a beautiful girlfriend. Second, get a bike. If that shit don't motivate you, I don't know what will, my boy. But let me know, guys, do you guys want to see like the detailing as well? Like, are y'all interested in seeing, like, you know, my day-to-day base on the detailing side? Obviously, I don't know if you guys know, but I own a detailing business, and shit, I do pretty good, bro, you know. So I want to know if you guys would be interested in seeing that type of shit too, you know. Bring that into the channel as well, not only just bikes, because I know you guys want to see more of me as well. So we're right here about to get to the gym, to EOS, what my boy said, that low income gym. Bye. And as you can see, my boy Najib is over there. We just hit our quick little hour gym sesh, and now I'm on the way home. Put this shit back up really quick. Now I'm on the way home. Damn, that bitch is harder than a bitch. I mean, this 529 slab. Let them know, man. 529 slab. Holy damn. Fuck you talking about, boy.
Boys know 50 inches how it hang to my thigh. I ain't on it fry.
Feels good. Great little gym workout. I know y'all heard me take that deep breath when I just passed that Chick-fil-A. Chicken, chicken, chicken. Oh no, that's Cane's. That's Cane's. My bad, son. I got a little confused, you heard me? But yeah, man, now I'm on the way home. Call it a day. Same shit, different day, baby. I'm on our next level.
Is that the Grim Reaper?
Oh yeah, look who's right there. Who's a good boy?
Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy?
Bitch, I'm perfect. But yeah, guys, if you guys enjoyed this little mini moto vlog of me just basically going to the gym, explaining to you guys a little bit of what has been going on with me, like, subscribe, and comment, and your boy Tito's out.